Continuing on with our series of knot tying, I thought I'd show how to lash a tripod. Alright, the first thing you do is you start with a clove hitch. The easiest way to do that is again making loops right over left and right over left. You end up with two loops, and take the right loop and put it behind the left loop. So it'd be like this. Okay. Simply stick your dowel in there and tension it up. Okay. To make sure that you did it correctly, you get the X and then the line going through it. That's just a little double check. Alright. Place that where you want them, where you ultimately want your intersection. And what we're going to do is just weave it in and out. So it would be under, over, under, and we'll just do that 4 or 5 times. So again, we're going to go over the last one, under the middle one, over the outside one. Keeping everything kind of neat and tidy as you go along. Over, under, and you want to do this 4 or 5 times. We'll do it for the last time here. Okay. Kind of tighten her up a little bit. Now what we're going to do is what they call frapping. Take your cord and go in between the two poles where we're going to frap the lashes. And that just means we're going to put 3 loops around these lashes. That's 1. 3. Okay. And can you see how that really tightened that up? That's what we're looking for. And then go under the middle one. Back kind of the first one. Between the first 2 poles. And again, we're going to do 3 fraps. And that'll tighten the whole thing up. 1. 2. 3. Alright. All our lashes have been tightened up. Everything's been neatened up. Flip it over. And what we're going to do is tie simply a square knot. Right over left. And then left over right. And then you simply end up with a tripod. Just trim up your 2 edges and you did it.